channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a strawberry banana shake. What you're going to be needing today is 1 banana, some strawberries, a cup of milk. I'm going to be blending it in a NutriBullet, but you could use any type of blender. My mom, she has been making this for a long time for us. It's super quick and really good. And now I am going to put it in there. Now I am going to add it into a NutriBullet cup. And we're using 3 strawberries today, or you can use 3 or 4. This is going to be like for one person, so I'll add 1 cup of milk. Now that you have put on the top super tight, you can put it in your blender and start. Now I'm going to get my glass. This is silly, but this is my favorite straw. This is really good. So this is very important to my mom, to us, really. We're doing the baby bottle campaign. It's for the Women's Resource Center, and it's to help save baby lives. I've gotten 3. You can make bottles, you can go pick up bottles, or you can just go buy one. Me and my mom went on this long walk yesterday, and we went to Dollar General and we got some of these little baby bottles. So I got 3 because I'm gonna put one on my dad's dresser where he takes everything out of his pocket. So there's a bunch of change on it. And then we're gonna put this one in the car, and then this one is gonna go in the kitchen, right here. You can call my mom, you can message her, you can ask her more about the baby bottle campaign and the Women's Resource Center. Let us know if we can bring you a bottle, or you can call my mom and then, you can come pick up a bottle. Thank you for watching my channel. Make sure to share my page and subscribe to my channel. And make sure other people subscribe to my channel too. Bye!
Hey everybody, I'm Yolanda, Alex's mom, and I was going to share with you a little bit about what she was talking about. So the Baby Bottle Campaign is a fundraiser that is put on by the Women's Resource Center. They do it once a year. And if you don't know anything about the Women's Resource Center, they are actually a pregnancy center here in our community that is a faith-based nonprofit organization. They provide free pregnancy tests, free ultrasounds, free STI testing. They do options counseling. They also do parenting classes and fatherhood classes. And they've got a new program for our youth, which is called Empowered to Thrive. So yeah, with that being said, them being a nonprofit organization, they rely on support from the community and from churches and other organizations. So there's 3 ways that you can donate. You can make your own bottle or decorate your own bottle, or go pick one up like at the dollar store. That's kind of what we did. Or you can pick one up at the Women's Resource Center, or we can even bring you one. And of course, you can donate online. I think this is a great way to get the whole family involved. My sweet little Alex last year did a little lemonade stand and a little succulent stand out in our front yard, and I was so proud of her, and I'm so thankful for all of our sweet neighbors, coming and supporting the Women's Resource Center. So yeah, if you have any more questions, send me a message or call me. We would love to answer your questions or bring you a bottle. And I really appreciate everybody taking the time to watch this. So please help us by sharing about the Women's Resource Center and about the Baby Bottle campaign. Great day.